My name's Jenny, and we're here in the Avenues, and this house was built in 1937. We've been here for 20 years, but I've always wanted to decorate more extravagantly for all types of holidays, and that's why we chose Trimlights. I'm a big Halloween fan, and we really go all out on Halloween. Every year we have to do something bigger and better, and this was what we did last year. It was really lovely to be able to put kind of everyday lighting, especially as dark as this area is. So it's really helpful even for security reasons as well. So yeah, we did get a few bids from other competitors. The pricing was really great for Trimlight. The ladies that came out to kind of give us a consultation, they were great. They answered all of our questions, really put us at ease. I really was surprised at how fast it all happened. Like I said, this was just a couple weeks before Halloween. I thought there was no way it was going to get done before Halloween. And from, the beginning consultation till the end of the install was just several days, really. So it was a great experience all around. Halloween ended up being great. I had purple and green and orange and the lightning effect going. Everybody just loved it. They thought it was so great. It was really special. If you want to do it, do it. I should have done it a long time ago. I really should have. It's just been so much fun. Even my husband's getting into it. His favorite holiday is the 4th of July, and it really does make any holiday special.